Chapter 1 is named as the Welcome Home Cases. The K-box chemistry is affinity because the connection feels so real. And K-box heat gravity is total collision because it shows maximum passion. Chemistry is 9 and heat gravity is 9.5. So K-box rating is 9.25 by 10. Chapter 2 named the calm and gentle kisses. The K-box chemistry is static because they look good together, and the heat gravity is 0 because it is light, sweet, and innocent. No heavy tension yet. Chemistry is 3 and heat is 2, so average K-box rating is 2.5 by 10. Chapter 3 is the assertive pull kisses. K-box chemistry is high voltage because their eyes tell a story, and heat gravity is burning due to high tension. You can feel the heat through the screen. Chemistry is 8 and heat is 8. Therefore K-box rating is also 8. Chapter 4 is the magnetic command kisses. Both struck like a magnet, and K-box chemistry is reaction because they have only fun together, and K-box heat gravity is low because it only a small touch that create a small pull. Chapter 5 is the elevated heartbeat kisses.